In this video, we are going to learn polymorphism in Java, but with Spider-Man. Polymorphism in Java is like having many forms, but with single name.
Oh, like there are many Spider-Mans in the multiverse.
Yes, the polymorphism have two types. One is compile-time polymorphism and second is runtime polymorphism. We will focus on compile-time polymorphism today. Compile-time polymorphism, that is overloading, is like having same name for your function but with different parameters. Like consider we have a function named Spider-Man. Firstly, the Spider-Man function have no parameters.
Okay.
After that, we declare a new function with same name Spider-Man but with different parameters like Spider-Man have GF.
Oh, I know where this is going.
Oh wait,
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something.
Okay.
so we declare a function again with same name but with different parameters from previous ones. Now we have two parameters, have GF and have best friend.
I did know how it will end. You dumb kid.
Hey wait, it was only for easy understanding, nothing personal.
I'm leaving now.
Sorry man. Let's move to the implementation in Java. So here is the code for function overloading in Java. As you can see, there are three functions with same name Spider-Man. So here we have called the function with no parameters. So if we run the program, the function with no parameters will be called. As you can see, the function with no parameters is called. So similarly, if we add here a parameter, the function with one parameter will be called. So let's run the program again. So the function with one parameter is called. The thing to notice here is the compiler calls the function according to the parameter list it has. If you specify one parameter to the function, the compiler is going to call the function which is declared with one parameter. So that's how the compiler calls the function in Java. That's how function overloading works in Java. This is part 1. In next video we will see function overriding, that is runtime polymorphism. Until that, stay tuned.